maybe you can't. I don't know if this looks like I've got the head strap. I got all the accessories. I'm trying to learn how to use it right now. Editing and better videos and things like that for right now. Real name. He didn't want me to use his real name because he's not sure if that's the driving or backing test all 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, and more cut on Thursday out of the 30 was like this. Monday, they demonstrated that we understand everybody has anxiety and you're nervous, but don't worry, you're hearing the same thing, and I think I even told you guys that in the last video. We went perfect on Wednesday and Thursday to come back tomorrow and retest so that they're confident and it wouldn't be an issue as long as you pass the assessments on Thursday. Monday when you get there. But based on this email, I'm going to go ahead and stop this video right here, do a little bit of editing, but like I said, I'm not going to go out. All right, well, as you can see, or maybe you can't, I don't know if this looks any different or not, I'm using the new GoPro that I got. It comes with a handlebar, I've got the head strap, I got all the accessories. I'm trying to learn how to use it right now. So I thought I'd shoot you guys a little video and tell you some things that I found out this past week or so. So let me first start off by saying that I've spent the last couple weeks working on my basement with my dad and my brothers. It's about 90% finished. I'm hoping to get back into the studio so that I can do more editing and better videos and things like that. For right now, I'm pretty limited to basically just using either the GoPro or the phone and what little editing I can do. But as we talked about in my last video, they changed the onboarding procedures. Now, I have not gotten any official word from anybody or anything like that, but I received an email that I thought you guys might find interesting. We're gonna call this guy George. Didn't want to use his real name. He didn't want me to use his real name because he's not sure if somebody would say something to him or not. I don't think anybody would. We're just erring on the side of caution. I've been told by legal that as long as us Walmart drivers don't talk bad about Walmart maliciously, talk politics, and I think it was religion, that we're pretty much able to talk about or record whatever we want. But George says, just saw your video and I'll pass this along. I started onboarding on October 9th, and this was the policy. Let's see here. I'm not going to say the name of the place just in case that comes up, but this location has suspended finishing school as of 2 weeks ago, as far as he knows. Also, if you don't pass the driving or backing test all 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, you'll be given Friday to retest, but it's not guaranteed. You have to have 3 successful drives and backs, or you will not pass. The pre-trip requires 2 clean passes. If you miss 2 drives or backs on Tuesday and Wednesday, you'll be cut on Wednesday. We had 4 cut on Wednesday and more cut on Thursday out of the 37. He thinks 25 made it, including those who had to retest on Friday. His personal experience was like this. Monday, they demonstrated expectations for backing and pre-trip, which is standard. That's the way it's always been. Tuesday, they got the we understand everybody has anxiety and you're nervous, but don't worry. As we know, you all will make some mistakes. Just show improvement. I have been hearing the same thing, and I think I even told you guys that in the last video. Make sure you're showing improvement from day 1 to day 2, etc. He said he rubbed a curb on Tuesday, but he went perfect on Wednesday and Thursday during the drives. The other tests were good with no issues. Once the testing was done on Thursday, we each got called back and either dismissed or given the option for Friday testing. They told me you rubbed a curb on Tuesday, but you were really good on the other 2 days. You need 3 perfect drives, 3 perfect backs, and proficient pre-trip inspections. We'd like you to come back tomorrow and retest so that they're confident that, because they were confident he would pass. This is completely different than what he was told when talking to other PF drivers. Not sure what PF stands for. They told me you would have issues Tuesday and Wednesday, and it wouldn't be an issue as long as you pass the assessments on Thursday. That's how it used to be. That's how I've been telling you guys. That's what's changed. It's not just a test on Thursday, you pass, you're in. And that's because they had guys who were sketchy Tuesday, sketchy Wednesday, pulled a rabbit out of their hat on Thursday, and by their requirements, they had to let them in because that was the rules. They will tell you what is expected, how it works, and what you need to do on Monday when you get there. But based on this email, and I've gotten several emails almost exactly like this, these are the new requirements for onboarding. Now, with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and stop this video right here and see how this worked, see how it looks. If it works, then you guys will be seeing this. If it didn't work, you'll never see this video. I also would like to try to get the pre-trip video done. That's why I'm testing this GoPro. That's why I've got this handle. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go out there and I'm going to have my phone in one hand, the GoPro in the other. I am going to be reading from my pre-trip and showing you guys exactly how my pre-trip is done. This is not the official or legal Walmart pre-trip. I have to say that because I don't know if they've changed the pre-trip. I also can't say that this is the official Walmart pre-trip because I am not a CDT. If I was to say this is the official Walmart pre-trip and you guys find something wrong with it, I could get in trouble for that. So, for legal reasons and other, I will be doing Rich's Walmart pre-trip, which I believe should be very, very similar, if not exactly what they're asking you to do at onboarding, but I can't guarantee that. So I am going to show you my pre-trip as soon as I make sure this GoPro works, the camera works, and I can at least do a little bit of editing. But like I said, I'm not going to go out there and try to do the pre-trip from memory. Could I do it? Possibly, more than likely. But I want to make sure I'm giving you guys the best information possible. So hopefully this works, and I will be doing the pre-trip video hopefully in the next few minutes, and I'll have these videos for you shortly.
drkaraokedj@gmail.com